Hello everyone, welcome back to the Logging In channel. Today for this episode of Logging In, I will be showing you how you can delete YouTube videos. Now for you to delete the YouTube videos, first of all open a browser and go to the YouTube page. Once you're at the YouTube page, you need to go to the profile. There you can see on the top the profile icon. Click on that. Now here you click on YouTube Studio. That will direct you to the dashboard for your YouTube. Now here you need to click on the content on the left side menu. There you can see a video that I have uploaded. I want to delete this video. So for me to delete this video, you move the cursor to the video and there you can see options available. There you see three dotted option. You click on that. And there on the bottom you will see the option of delete forever. You click on it. Now YouTube will ask you whether you want to actually delete this video permanently. So here you need to click on the checkbox and then tap on delete forever. With this, that video will get deleted from your YouTube channel. This is how you can easily delete your video from the YouTube channel. Hope this video was useful on how you can delete the YouTube videos. Please like and subscribe the Logging In channel and also don't forget to click on bell icon. Thank you.